This is a gift box that you can give to your friends and family for the holidays. It's a lovely one, trust me. My name is Helen or Rejobi. I just want to wish you a wonderful day. All right. This is the 12 days of Fave. Can you spot my earring? This is beautiful. Yeah, that's because of MaryKay. They make me look beautiful every time. So yeah, this is a gift box that you can give to your friends and family for the holidays. You could give split the gifts and share around your family. Can you see the things that we have on there? There are 12 lovely items, some big sizes, some small sizes. You could either do like one or, do two per person. Quickly, I'm going to open this up. I don't want this video to take long. This is how it comes. Beautiful packed box, right? It's all numbered from 1 to 10. You see that? Okay, so quickly, let's look at what box number 1 has for us today. So in box number 1, right there, box number 1, let me open this up real soon. Quick. Whoop, see what we got there? It says hydrogel eye patches. This is really, you could give someone as a gift. All you just need to do is put a bow tie around it. So quickly, box number 2 is quite decent. Let's see what they have in there. Let's see. So this is box number 2. I don't know if you can see. Ultimate mascara. It's a mascara. It's quite beautiful. Yep. See that? It's a MaryKay mascara. Up next, what do we have? I think this is box 3, but it doesn't have anything on it. Reading that says 3, but I figured it's 3. So we can open this up quickly. It says time-wise repair, revealing radiant facial peel. It's a facial peel. I think that's the only thing in the box. This is something you could give to someone as a gift. I would say I'd rather put this with something else. I won't give this to just one person. I could use it myself. You can pair this with something else for someone, right? Box number 4 quickly. This is box number 4. It's a lovely box. See that? I kind of love my earrings. So this says ultimate lip gloss. So lip gloss from MaryKay. Yeah, this is a good size item. I can give this to someone as a kid. Ooh, look at that. It's really good. Let me see. This is actually it's lovely. You see that shine? Yep. So you can give this to someone as a gift and they're gonna love you for this, right? So quickly, let's look at what number. This was number 4. So number 5. Oh, I love me some pink. Pink. See how the box is. So this is box number 5. You see, this is foundation, primer, sunscreen, SPF 15. This is decent actually, and only to take this box costs only $99. Ooh, this is a steal. See that? If you want to buy this box, you could use the link in my description below. I'm an independent beauty consultant. Shop my website and get this. And I think number 6. This is number 6. Ooh, that's a big one. What's in there? That's a big old box, okay? Oh, look at that. That's like lip glosses. Ooh. I think this has to be their mini lip glosses, like the 6. Oh, it's 5 actually. It's lovely. You see that? See the colors? This is lovely. Yeah, I can give this as a gift. Well, I can't even. You can put one of this with the. Remember the what box was that? I think that was. Put one of this as a mini gift for someone. Hold on a second. Yeah, you can pair this as a gift for someone, right? And put a thank you note, you know, for someone, and they appreciate you, right? This is thoughtful. This is lovely. Ooh, I got some gifts that I'm sure some people will like. Okay, dokes. What do we have next? What have we got next? What have we got next? What have we got next? Okay, it says satin lips, shea butter bag. You can see that? It's shea butter bag. This is good. There's a lot of review on that one. Like it gives you smooth lips, make your lips so kissable. You know what I mean? You don't know? You're gonna know soon, huh? Okay, what do we have next? What do we have? Ooh, okay, now this is oil-free eye makeup removal. According to People's Magazine, it's the #1 out of all the brands. So they gave you a mini size. This is good. You could give to someone as a gift, and then they come back and like, where do you get that stuff from? It works so well. It's the best, actually. It goes like super fast and helps you get rid of those makeups so you don't go to sleep in that. So this is box number 9, by the way. And then this is the microdermabrasion refine from Timewise, and then this is the MaryKay Timewise pore minimizer. So it helps you with your pores and reduces those wrinkles and make you look young and sweet like me. So you know how to like to take care of our skin. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, else you're gonna age so fast. This is box number 10. Okay. That's a good one. This is eyeliner. This is an eyeliner from MaryKay. So you want to line down lovely eyes of yours. Get yourself some good old MaryKay eyeliner. You see that? This is really brilliant. So these gift items, you could give it to your loved ones for the occasion, for Christmas, for their birthdays, you know. Put a thank you card there. Wrap it up with a cute little bowl. And then you got your party going. This is box number 11. Okay, I think I got to open up from here. What have we got here? Oh, it's a... Okay, so this is the liquid eyeshadow. Wow, they got a lot of stuff in this box. See? That's really pretty, huh? Okay, we're going to do a facial soon. If you want the free facials, contact me through the link in my bio. Let me know you want a free facial. If you're in Houston, Texas, we could reach out to you anywhere in America. We could give you items from my shop and I send you a gift. Now this is box number 12. That's the end of the story. That's the end of the box. That's the end of it all. Oh my goodness, this is a lovely one. This says Claire Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. This has a lot of review. It helps you get rid of those dead skin cells and cleanses deeply, like it says. Now you're gonna have a very lovely skin. There's no reason for you to bleach your skin. You just need to invest in good skincare that has been proven over the years. Anyway, if you want to shop my store, the link is in the bio. You get a gift, just reference from YouTube, and that's it. Anyway, that's all about this box. If you care to know more about the products that we have, let me know. If you want free facials, if you're in Houston, hit me up. We're gonna give you free facials, and then we get the ball rolling. That's all I have for today. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn the notification button so you can get more information when I post something new and exciting. Thank you. Remember that.